Alright, this is where I got my oxygen acetylene bottles in this box here. I got a big 20-pound sledgehammer there and an 8-pound sledgehammer. Got some wire wheels. Got my grinding disc. Made me these little racks. Hold some of my stuff. A couple levels. Some 70-18s. Some squares. Some emery cloth. If you gotta clean something up, some emery cloth there. Let's see what else I got in here. That's about it for this box here. That's just old wooden assortment box I made there. But anyways, I'll do one more.